math that describes something that can't, this is math that never actually describes, never actually is meant to describe what's really happening, because what's really happening Chinese cosmologically is huntun, which is absolute chaos. This is a concept, I think that is maybe the first reference that we see. Comes from the Huainanzi, but it's a very popular concept that's underneath everything in Chinese cosmology. And I please hear a blanket statement like that with a grain of salt, because of course there are many, many, many different traditions within China. And, you know, even if you just took Taoism, for instance, if you looked at, like, if someone said Taoism is this, there are so many different schools, you know what I mean? And this technology that we're describing is a combination of Confucianism, Taoism, and a little bit of Buddhism sprinkled in there. And it's very Song Dynasty era, but it matches very nicely with where we are. But still, we can set it. So when I say this is Chinese cosmologically, Huntun is underneath everything, it's sort of there, but also understand that I mean that with a caveat, right? And so Huntun is this, you maybe heard of wonton soup. That's a dialectical, literally, that's a dialectical adjustment of the word Huntun. Um, and so that's exactly what it means. It's chaos. It's like this and that, and like the dumpling is organized within itself, and the cabbage is organized within itself, and they're kind of like flying through, and they bump off of each other, and they kind of go another direction. So what we're saying is the universe is chaos. The universe is absolute chaos. And within that chaos, patterned experience emerges. And that patterned experience can be recognized. And you can take that pattern that you recognize, and we can telescope it outward to see where it will go.